Welcome back to No Grandma Glamour. So yes, she is black. Yes, she is black. Well, she's not all the way black. She has a little color in it. My mom actually gave me this wig. It'll be in the description box below. So hey glamours, hey my new glamours, and if you're not a glamour, hey, hit that button, subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell so you can see me upload videos. And this is it. This is me playing the makeup. I got some blues in there. Like I said, we're gonna get out of my comfort zone, and I'm gonna give you guys more of glam videos and neutral videos, and give you all sorts of videos. But if you like this look, and before you see the video, hit that subscribe button. It don't cost anything. Hit that like button. If you have suggestions or tricks and tips, hey, reach out to me. I'm on social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. Everything is Mike and Perkins, or either me, Perky, that's MEE. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Hey all my glamours, and for my new glamours or viewers, please hit the subscribe button. So my eyebrows is done. I did an earlier tutorial using L'Oreal Believer Brow, and I used Brow Wave from Family Dollar brow powder. So now I'm just gonna do my face, and you know I never know what I'm going to do, but I know I haven't used any blues, so we might go into using blues today. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and all the samples I got from Sephora. Shout out to Toraya and Rachel and Izzy. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter 7.0. I'm gonna use that. And what kind of primer I'm gonna use? It doesn't even matter. I got so many primers. Let's use a CoverGirl. It's a CoverGirl True Blend Base Business. Oh, I'm sorry. Earlier I just used the Smashbox Under Eye Primer. I'm going ahead and use this Correct palette. This was just the Helen Tracy Correct palette. It has the different colors. Also, you know what you're supposed to use it on. So I'm going to go into this orange and just color correct with my finger. You see the difference? We can go into foundation. Like I said, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter 7.0. I'm going to use my BH 130 brush. I'm going to use this e.l.f. brush. Is there a number on here? The 106 brush. Use less product on my forehead because my bang gonna be covering it. In order to do that, you can put a very small amount or none as far as your forehead or whatever left on the brush, and blend a thin, layer of foundation so it won't mess up your hair. Okay, I'm gonna go with concealer now. I was getting this from a co-worker. And what color is this? I know it's Estee Lauder. No, Fashion Fair. I'm sorry. It's this color. And I don't see the name. Yes. Shout out to my girl Nixon. She gave me this. Nick, I don't know what color you gave me. But remember, we thought it was too dark. It's actually not too dark. So shout out to you, Nixon. And listen, your makeup, honey, every time I go on Facebook see your makeup, you doing a good job, babe. But yeah, she gave me this Fashion Fair, and I just can't read the number. Well, when I reach out to her, I'm gonna ask her what's the number of this. And you can see it's like skin light. So now I'm going in with my Tarte Princess Concealer. This is medium honey. So that's my husband in the background, DJ Rowe. This is my wet beauty blender. This is the Real Technique, the Body Beauty Blender. And it's wet. set with this air spin. So let's go with the natural neutral. I've been seeing these a lot. I have never used this, so I said, you know what, let me pick these up. Look at my grandbaby. I'm doing a makeup tutorial, baby. Baby. Oh, they got the little pad up in here. Even though it helped a little express how I feel. Oh, smell. It smells good. I would have been got this. I love fragrance. I'm gonna make it home tonight. I'm gonna take my Smashbox, and this is the Skin Foundation, Shaping Foundation. It has the foundation on one side and the contour on the other. Oh, and this is the 2.2. I believe I got 2.32 or 2.1, something like that. But if I don't, I promise everything. I'm gonna take that same BH brush that I put my concealer on. I'm just gonna go over this contour. I'm gonna take that same e.l.f. brush, this 106 brush, and do my contour. Take my hand, understand, I don't want you to cry. I'm grinding for the both of us. I'm gonna go into this e.l.f. eyes, lips, and face, because that's what e.l.f. means. And let's just play with maybe some blues. One of them fell. And then underneath, I have the highlighters. And they slide, so you get lip gloss there, and I think it's a lip gloss here too. Yes. So let's find my eyes. Yeah. Same BH brush. So I got all these blues right here. I got blues right here. I have greens and yellows right here. Something I'm gonna go and mess with some of this blue. Maybe that blue type of green color there. And my blank slate to clean my brushes and to tap some of that, tap some of that excess off when you use powder. I'm gonna go into this darker blue. I'm taking it down to go into the V. So now I'm going to this lighter color blue. Put it on my lid. With that same brush. Now I'm going to take my Paris Hilton concealer brush just to put the blue at the bottom. I'm going to use a darker color again. So now I'm going to this black and put that in my inner V. I'm going to use this Morphe 167 brush. I'm just going to pack that black on there. Take that black also and put it on my bottom lash line. So I'm going to use this lighter gray and put some more on my lid. I'm also going to spray it. This is Giovanni. This is a facial prime and setting mist. I'm just doing basically the middle part right here. Oh, the jamming. Now, I'm going to go ahead and clean that up with the concealer. This is Fit Me by Maybelline, and it is in the number 30 Cafe. I'm gonna take this BB's 195 brush and just stipple that in, just blend it in. So now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. lip liner. It is in jet black. I'm saving for a rainy day. So since my wing is not complete, hit my bottom lashes. And in fact, I'm gonna go with the blue. This is the All Made. My mom had got me this, the Intense Color Volume, and it is in. Oh, I can't see y'all. I know it's blue. So it's not a primer, it's a mascara. Now I'm gonna go into lashes, and I have, this is a Drama Lash by LA Colors, the multi-pack. My upper lash is a light coat of this blue. And now what I'm supposed to do. I'm gonna go ahead and use this strip lash adhesive from Kiss with aloe. I have the white one that turns into clear also, but it don't turn fast enough. So while my lashes is drying, I'm gonna go into this Black Radiance Soft Focus finishing powder, and it says True Complexion Soft Focus. I don't see like a name. Oh, Golden Almond Finish. Go into lips. I'm gonna take my Smashbox in Nude Dark lip liner. Is it Always Sharp? This is the Lip Vault lipstick from BB's, and it says 01. Let's put the lashes on. Yeah, I actually have a problem putting on my lashes, probably due to all the bouncing I'm doing of the music my husband playing in the background. So while I'm waiting on my lashes to dry, I have got these Magic Ultra Shimmers Illumination Drop. Go on and do my little highlight. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to take a little step back because I'm kind of cute with that blue makeup on, with that little smoky eye. So, my lashes is on. Finally. I'm going to put on this Lamb Coat blush. This blush is a kind of a wet blush. That's how it looks. It's like a sponge. I'm keeping it real, even though it helped a little express how I feel. So this is the finished look. That's the glow. Hit that button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, no grandma, glamour.